Hello everyone, again welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you how you can fix your connecting problem on your WhatsApp app itself. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. If your app is having a problem called connecting while you're trying to make any calls, it's showing the connecting and it's not being connected at all. So what you will do is you will go to your Play Store or your App Store on your iOS according to your device. Then you will simply search in WhatsApp. Then as you can see, my WhatsApp app is updated itself, so if it's not up to date, then that could be one of the reasons, because once you update your app, then it also helps with some of the errors that the other non-updated app was having. So once you update, then that can be solved also. Then you will simply go to your option called settings because of the unnecessary storage that your app is holding itself. So you will just go to option called apps, then option called apps again. Then you will simply search in your app, or you can just scroll down and find the particular app that you need. Then you will simply go to this option called storage. I have a cache of like 1.21 MB. Then you will see the option called clear cache. Simply tap on that, and here you will be cleaning all the cache. And the one major and most common issue could be your network issue. So you're gonna make sure that your network is connected properly and it has good internet access to your phone. So if you're having a problem with your Wi-Fi connection that you have on your phone, then you can simply switch to your personal mobile data, and then you can have the network connection, or you can simply again refresh your Wi-Fi itself and again choose the other network that you have available on your phone. So that's it for today's video, and I really do hope one of those reasons could be the reason that your app is having this option called connecting. So you can try all of them and hope it resolves your problem. And yes, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.